And welcome back. Jobs within the Jamaica Scorpions setup are on the line. This according to Courtney Francis, CEO of the Jamaica Cricket Association, JCA. Francis held a meeting on Thursday morning with interim coach Robert Haynes and other stakeholders, and he admits that some factors affecting the team did not lie only with former coach Robert Samuels.
CEO of the JCA, Courtney Francis, speaking with TVJ Sports, says interim coach Robert Haynes was introduced to the Jamaica Scorpions players on Thursday. Haynes, who was most recently in charge of the national under-19 team, will have his acid test on January 4 when the Jamaica franchise takes on the Windward Islands Volcanoes in a day and night encounter at home in the West Indies four-day tournament. And Francis made it clear that he expects to see a difference from everyone involved or else.
Robert Samuels could not have been the only factor that would have impacted those performances. So therefore I made it absolutely clear to the players, along with the chairman of selectors, that they too have a responsibility and a role, and if we don't get the performance up, then they're going to lose their jobs too. It's as simple as that. As a cricketing nation, we must do better. Our players have attained a certain level of competence in the region and internationally that we ought to put in better performances. So that it's a non-negotiable.
The 54-year-old Haynes, who previously coached the senior side between 1999 and 2006 and won the Caribbean Cup in 2004 to 2005, says his approach will be multidimensional to get the players to do better.
This is also important that the JC is looking at to get a sports psychologist to work with these guys, because we need to know the mindset and how they're thinking. As a coach, it's for me also to identify the players who are coachable and who are willing to learn and to move and to go forward.
Senior pace bowler Jerome Taylor is also of the view that with so much talent in the team, they have to step up as it goes beyond the coach.
Coach, they have been trying their very best, but at the end of it all, the players are the ones that is going out on the park. So it is a case where people have to take the ownership to go out and put good performances together back to back and make sure that we can take home the bacon for Jamaica.
The Scorpions are lying fifth in the six-team standings on 5 points after one round. All other teams except Trinidad and Tobago Red Force have played twice. For TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walton.